Okay, so let's talk about the amino acids outside the chain first. Then we talk about the lab. So very quick, we're gonna review. This is the basic structure of amino acid. You have a chiral C at the middle, you have an amino group, and you have a carboxy group, and you have outside chain. And we remember we have a 20 amino acids, and their difference is the outside chain. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then based on different category, we could categorize them into different group. So first group, we call it's non-polar and no charge. So what are they? Let's do this one by one. First, glycine. You can write 3 letter or the 4 name, that's okay. Second one, alanine. Okay, then we go here. Last time I made a mistake of this guy. CH, CH3, CH3, violin. Okay, then you go down. Yes, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. This is leucine. And then you go here is CH3, CH2, CH, and then go CH3. This is isoleucine. Okay. Then, how about the last one? Last one, you have to draw the whole structure because it is a circle. So you have to draw amino group, carbo C, H, COOH, then CH2, CH2, CH2. It's a circle. This is a pouring. Okay. Then we do the one what we talk about in the lab, which is CH2, add a phenyl group. This is phenylalanine. Okay, then the one little bit difficult, but we talk about in the lab already. 6 carbon, 5 carbon, NH, CH2 right here. So you have double bonds right here. This is tryptophan. Okay, then later on we have one which is I said sulfide group there, but it is debatable where it goes. Cysteine. Some of them said it should be polar no charge. Okay. The next one we talk about in the lecture a lot. It is important. CH3S, CH2, CH2, methionine. Methionine. Okay, this is finished. The non-polar no charge. So second group, we call it a polar no charge. Okay, how about the first one? CH2OH serine. How about second one? CH3, it should be CH3 and OH. Serine. Okay, then we go here, we have CH2, CO, and NH2. What is this guy? Asparagine. And you go here, you have a CH2, CH2, NH2, what did this guy? Glutamine. Glutamine. Okay. Now we have another one left, which is CH2. You have a phenyl group right here, and then you also have OH, tyrosine. Okay, then we move on to the third group, which is the polar and the charged. Okay, first of all, you have asparagine. So very simple, you should go here, which is CH2, COO, aspartic acids. And remember, if it's acid, it's negatively charged. And you have a glutamine. And we also could go here, very easy to remember, that is CH2, CH2, then go C, and go COO, glutamic acids. This is also negatively charged. And then we're going to go 3 positively charged. The first one, little bit tricky always, because it's 5 carbon. Then CH2, and this is NH plus. Then you have NH right here, so we do 2 double bonds. This is histidine. This is positively charged. Then we have a very long chain. CH2, 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 and NH3 on the top. This is a lysine. A lysine, we call it an epsilon amino acids. Relate to the Maillard reaction. And the last one, CH2, CH2, CH2. I should draw a little bit long because it's long. CH2, CH2, CH2. In the middle we have NH. So you have C double bonds, NH3 positive and NH2. So what is this? Arginine. Okay, so this is what we call histidine, lysine, arginine. We have a joke, remember, her leggers are basic. Remember the joke? People wearing long boots and hang around in the campus but never study. So we say his or her leggers, histidine, lysine, arginine, or basic amino acid. So these are all positively charged. Okay? So how many points you have? 20 extra points. And if you know, some of you maybe learned in your other classes, we actually have the 21 amino acids. Okay, what is that? SEHCH2. Is that right? That's 21 amino acids. But it's okay, you don't have to remember that. Okay, last thing for the extra points, what we have. The gene base, we say that. That's also could be extra points. So what are they? First of all, adenine. Okay, now we draw. It's a 6 carbon, 5 carbon, NH. So we have N on the top, NH2. Then what we do? Go here, go here, go here. Okay, this is what we call it. Adenine. Should be just the A. Adenine. Adenine. What are the second purine? Guanine, is that right? What is guanine? Same thing, 6 carbon and 5 carbon. So we N, H. Of course, this is H. H. This section is the same, and we have N. We have N, and we also have these. Now, what's the difference? On the top, you have a carboxy group, and this NH2 is moved to down here, so we're going to add one there. Okay, now this is going to be NH. So that's guanine. You don't have to worry about the H. Okay, that's visible, non-visible, lots of talk about that. So that's called purine. Okay, what are the pyrimidine? Pyrimidine is only 1 6 carbon. And they look similar, to be honest. So, N double bonds, and then you have carbonyl bonds. And then you have a CH3, H. What is this? This is thymine. Now, if you know thymine, you should know uracil. Very easy, because it's the same thing. Exactly the same. Only one difference have something. Okay, so you do carbonyl group right here, NH, H. The only difference we said in the 6 carbon, there is an unimportant place. The methyl group become a proton, become a hydrogen. So this is uracil. What's the last one? Thymine, is that right? So thymine, you may need to draw a little bit. But basic structure is still the same. N. This O is still here. What's the difference? This becomes NH2, so you need this guy. And this is still H. This is still H. This is H. And remember, here you connected to a ribose of deoxyribose. Okay, so this is cytosine. Is that right? So these three, what we call pyrimidine. This you have to write the full name, okay? You can write the ATGCU, it's too simple. How many points? Another 5 points. How many total points here? 25. Okay, good. Is that good? Everybody should get it. And I will take a picture and put on eCampus and you can review, okay? At least you know some.
So you would just want us to draw the R side chains?
Yes, because others are the same. Okay, all side chain and as a review. And the previous experience tells me lots of you are catch up. Okay, which is even you did not do very well for the exam 1, exam 2, then you catch up. Exam 2, some of you did very, not very nice. I won't say very bad, it's not very nice. So we have lots of people get very good, we have a bunch of people not very good. So they can catch up. Okay? So that's what we're going to talk about the first section.